So good morning students. Today in this session we are going to learn about equivalent fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, lowest form of fractions, comparing fractions, etc. So first of all, what are equivalent fractions? Dear children, equivalent fractions arise when we multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. So for example, I'll take you, okay, for example, one I will take, write the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. So what are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5? So I already defined equivalent fractions arises when we multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, 1 by 5 into 2 equal to 2 by 10. 1 by 5 into 3 equal to 3 by 15. So 1 by 5 into 4 by 4 or 3 by 3, 4 by 4 equal to what? 4 by 20. So on. So here the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5 are 2 by 10 comma, 3 by 15 comma and 4 by 20, etc. These are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. Okay children, equivalent fractions of 1 by 5 are 2 by 10, 3 by 15, 4 by 10, 4 by 20. Okay, these are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. Now for example, some more example you can take. The equivalent fractions of 1 by 3, the equivalent fractions of 2 by 7 and equivalent fractions of 3 by 8. Now see, 2 by 6 comma, 3 by 9 comma, 4 by 12 comma and 5 by 15, etc. These are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 3. Because when you multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, now 4 by 14 comma, 6 by 21 comma, 8 by 28 comma and next 10 by 36, 10 by 35, etc. These are the equivalent fractions of 2 by 7. Like that you can write here 6 by 16 comma, 9 by 24 comma, 12 by 3 by 3, 3 by 3 means what? 3 by 3 means 4 by 4, 32, etc. So these are the equivalent fractions of 3 by 8. Okay, so like that we can, if we multiply both numerator and denominator, the same number, we can get the equivalent fractions. Now lowest form of fractions, lowest form of fraction, lowest form of a fractions. So lowest form of fraction means, for example, out of the equivalent fractions, for example 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by etc. 1 by 3, 2 by 6 comma, 3 by 9 and 4 by 12 etc. 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12. These are the equivalent fractions. Out of these equivalent fractions, equivalent fraction 1 by 3 is the lowest form of a fraction, or is the lowest form of fraction, or it is called a standard form of the fraction. Why? Because as the numerator and denominator are in lowest forms, as the numerator and denominator are in lowest forms and do not have any common factors, okay, these do not have any common factors. So this is called as lowest form of fraction or standard form of a fraction. So for example 2 by 3, 7 by 3, 17 by 7, 1 by 5, 3 by 11, etc. are all standard forms. Okay, for example 5 by 10, 2 by 14, 16 by 36, 3 by 9, etc. are not in their standard form. They are not standard form because they have common factors. Okay, let us see. Try this page number 90 is the 90 page number. You can do it, children, in your classwork. Now let's see second topic is like fractions. Okay, like fractions. So like fraction means the fractions, the fraction numbers that have the same denominator are called like fractions. The fractional numbers that have the same denominator are called like fractions. Example 1 by 6 comma 5 by 6 comma 7 by 6 comma or 11 by 6 comma etc. Because denominator is same. These are called like fractions. Okay, these are called like fractions. Next, unlike fractions means what, children? Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, the fractions where the denominators are not the same, the fractions where the denominators are not same are called unlike fractions. For example, see 1 by 5 comma 1 by 9, okay, and 2 by 3 etc. and 6 by 9, they are all unlike fractions. 1 by 5 and 1 by 9, 2 by 3 and 6 by 9 are called unlike fractions. Okay, children, understood unlike fractions? Now comparing unlike fractions. Comparing unlike fractions. Comparing unlike fractions. So comparing unlike fractions. Children, here to compare unlike fractions, we have to convert them to equivalent like fractions first. We have to convert them into equivalent fractions. For example, see comparison is what? Example 1 to take. Which is bigger out of? Which is bigger out of 7 by 9 comma 3 by 11. 7 by 9 comma 3 by 11. So for this very simple, children. Okay, which is bigger out of this. So what are here? For example, 7 by 9 comma 3 by 11. For this 7 by 9 into simple 11 by 11 equal to what? 77 by 99. So here the first fraction must be multiplied by the denominator of second fraction. Okay, the first fraction must be multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction. Okay, now 3 by 11 into 3 by 11 is multiplied by the denominator of first fraction 9 by 9 equal to 27 by 99. So now 77 by 99 comma 27 by 99. So no doubt 77 99 greater than 27 by 99. Therefore, okay. Therefore, for example, see simple here. Therefore, 77 by 99 greater than 27 by 9. Why? Because as the denominators are same. Therefore, 7 by 9 greater than 3 by 11. That's all. Like this, we have to do it, children. 7 by 9 greater than 3 by 11. Okay. So there is a page number 92. Do this sums are there. Which of the following are smallest fractions? 2 by 5 comma 3 by 7, 7 by 8 comma 5 by 4, 3 by 11 comma 1 by 2, and 5 by 6 comma 2 by 3. You can do this all in your class work. Okay, children. And which of these in the smallest fraction? Smallest fraction also there, children. You can same method. This method you can follow. Same method. Smallest or biggest. Whatever the fraction may be, you can solve this by this method. You can solve it. Okay. Like this you can do. Try this. Do this page number 92. Understand? Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.